Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome to FastLife channel. You know what I'm saying? Today we're gonna go into a little truck and car meet. It just started raining down here in Houston. The chances of rain said 80, but then it said 30. So fuck it, we're gonna go ahead and see how it is. We're gonna drive down there. But check it out, this is my baby out here. So I'll let you know once we arrive and get to the show. So, all right, guys. Man, I forgot to mention that since it's raining, you know, crazy thing is the damn windshield wipers don't work on this truck, man. So, yeah, I mean, luckily it stopped raining right now. I think all the rain's gonna be, they say it's gonna be up in the north side. We head down to the south side. Nah, but stay tuned, man. We gonna go check out this truck and car meet brought to you guys by Houston Car Meet. I'm on my way to pick up my boy Chewy. He's a photographer, the camera guy, whatever you want to call it, you know. But yeah, stay tuned, man. All right, we picked up my boy Chewy.
Yo, what's up, YouTube?
Yo, we on the way to this car and truck meet. It's kind of, I'd say it's what, like 45 minutes away?
Yeah,
some shit like that. So I just seen the live they doing, but I don't know, it's not a lot of action going on, so we just gonna swing by, check it out for a little bit. Oh shit. But all right, guys, we'll get with y'all in a little bit.
Bitch.
Yo, what's up, guys? We finally made it to Rock House Southern Kitchen. Shout outs to Houston Car Meets for inviting us. Shit's getting down right here with all these fine ass vehicles out here. Check us out.
Perfect.
What you got under there?
I got a 6.0.
6.0?
H3 Texas Speed cam. I changed the exhaust. I got the X pipes. I got a 3-inch. Exhaust with a 14-inch mag. I didn't want no flow master. I didn't want it to be too loud.
Too loud?
Yeah, man. I don't want it.
So a 6.0.
Yeah. I got about 550 in.
550? 550.
Blow y'all 80.
Turn that motherfucker on. Let's hear it.
Oh, it ain't got that, but it ain't gonna.
All right, what you mean you ain't got nothing, man? That sound good. Right here, Southern Rock. Oh no, Rock House Southern Kitchen. That's what it is. Yeah, bro, this is good food right here, dog. We finna get down on this. What's up, guys? We're here with Gus from Houston Carmeets. He invited us here to, what's it called here? Rock House, Southern Cafe. Show came through. A lot of nice cars out here, nice whips. And I guess, Gus, let us know what you got upcoming, bro.
Hey, man, well, thanks for coming out. As you see, today they wanted kind of more like a little bit of classic, you know, more of the car show display style.
Right.
But what we're going to do, we're going to try to do once a month here. You like it? It's pretty cool,
Yeah,
right?
it's pretty cool.
So the next meet, bro, we got next Friday, we got El Michelada No.
Okay.
On the 16th, and then on the 23rd, if you can make it, we're going to be at Freddy LSX.
Okay.
We're expecting like 2,000 people.
I was gonna tell you about that. I brought my little OBS. You know, yeah. What do you need?
Just message me because the spot is so small. So we're actually sending Freddy and them to make sure they get approved because it's so small.
Okay.
So they want to have certain cars for their.
Line me up for that one, bro.
Yeah.
We're gonna be
It's
there.
gonna be badass.
Yeah. But appreciate it for having us, bro.
Yeah. Well, thanks for coming out, guys.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right, guys, and if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe and help us grow this channel. Follow us also on IG on FastLife HTX. Support that as well, and we'll bring you some more content like this. You know what I'm saying? All right. And make sure to follow our Instagram as well at FastLife_HTX. Support that channel as well. And our link's gonna be somewhere around here. Chewy's gonna hit you with it right here somewhere.